How's it going, guys? It's gonna be a cold start of my Go GT200i. I actually haven't missed one in about 2-3 years. The carb went bad on it, so I just put a new carburetor on it. See how it starts, see how good it starts. Five prime, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Choke on, switches on. Yeah, you can see it's not starting. I'm not sure what's wrong with it, yeah, but she can go. Shit. Preparing your carburetor and I won't fucking start. If you guys have any ideas what could be wrong with it, comment down there please and let me know. Thanks. So if anybody has any idea what's wrong with this crappy ass GT200R, please let me know, cause damn, I just spent like 58 bucks on a brand new carburetor and it's still not working. So if anybody knows how to fix it or if you have give me any ideas on how to fix it, why don't you please leave a comment and say them below. Thanks, appreciate it, bye.